What if I told you that 80% of your job could be done by an AI clone of yourself? Not a generic AI assistant, not a chatbot, a clone. Trained on your knowledge, speaking in your voice, making decisions like you would. And so here is the problem. You spend 80% of your work week on tasks that do not require your unique judgment. Emails, meetings, reports, scheduling, data entry, research. These eat your time and leave nothing for strategy and creation. An AI clone handles all of that, and you get your time back, your brain back, your life back. Let me define exactly what an AI clone is, because the term gets thrown around loosely. An AI clone has 5 components: knowledge, voice, decision engine, automation layer, communication interface. Component 1. The knowledge base. This is your clone's brain. It contains everything you know about your work, every email you have written, every document you have created, every decision you have made, fed into one system. You build this with a vector database. ChromaDB is free and runs locally. Pinecone is the cloud option. Feed it your documents, your emails, your Slack messages, your meeting transcripts. Your clone learns you. Component 2. Your voice and communication style. The clone must sound like you, not like a robot. You train the clone on your writing style. Feed it 100 of your emails, and it learns how you communicate. It learns your catchphrases, your punctuation habits, how formal or casual you are with different people. Component 3. The decision engine. This is what separates a clone from a chatbot. It applies your judgment. You define decision rules, priority levels, escalation criteria, budget authority. The clone follows your playbook. The clone handles routine decisions. You handle exceptions. That is the division that makes this work. Component 4. The automation layer. This is the clone's hands. It actually executes tasks, not just talks about them. Make.com and N8N connect your clone to every tool you use. Gmail, Slack, Calendar, CRM, project management. Component 5. The communication interface. This is how you and others interact with your clone. Your clone has an email address. Team members can CC the clone on threads and it responds as you would. Your clone has a Slack presence. It posts updates, answers questions, and flags issues in the team channel. Your clone has a private interface just for you, a chat window where you give it instructions and it reports back. Now let me show you a real day in the life of someone with an AI clone. This is not theoretical. Midnight to 6 a.m. While you sleep, your clone processes every email that came in overnight. 6 a.m. Your morning briefing arrives. 3 urgent items. 2 decisions needed. A summary of everything that happened while you slept. 9 a.m. Your first meeting. The clone already prepared the agenda, pulled relevant documents, and drafted your talking points. 10 a.m. While you are in the meeting, your clone drafts responses to 12 emails. You review and approve in 2 minutes. 2 p.m. A client asks a complex question about their account. Your clone answers instantly with data from your CRM and knowledge base. 5 p.m. Your clone generates the weekly performance report. Data from 5 different systems, compiled, analyzed, and formatted. 7 p.m. You log off. Your clone continues working, researching, monitoring, preparing tomorrow's briefing. A day that used to be 10 hours of reactive work becomes 3 hours of strategic work. And the clone handles the rest. Now let me show you how to build it, the step-by-step. Because this is not science fiction. This is a weekend project. Step 1. Export your knowledge, every document, email, and note that represents what you know. Step 2. Set up ChromaDB. Install it locally with one command. Create your knowledge collection. Step 3. Ingest your data. Use Llama Index or LangChain to chunk, embed, and store your documents. Now your clone has a memory. Ask it anything about your work, and it retrieves the exact relevant information. Step 4. Train your voice. Export your last 100 sent emails. Feed them to Claude with a style extraction prompt. The output is a style guide. The clone references this every time it writes anything on your behalf. Step 5. Build your decision rules. This takes 30 minutes, but it is the most important 30 minutes of the build. Define what the clone can decide alone, what requires your approval, and what should never be touched. Step 6. Wire up your automations. Connect Make.com to your email, calendar, CRM, and Slack. Each automation is a scenario. Build one scenario per major workflow. Test with real data before deploying. Step 7. Create the communication interface. Set up a private Slack channel or Telegram bot as your clone's command center. The entire build takes 1 weekend. Total cost, $50 to $100 per month for APIs and tools. Now there is an important rule, and this is the difference between a clone that helps you and a clone that gets you fired. Your clone drafts, you review and approve. Always. No exceptions. This maintains quality and keeps you accountable. Now let me address the elephant in the room. Is this ethical? Should you build an AI clone of yourself? Here is my take. As long as you review the output and take responsibility for it, you are delegating, not deceiving. Your clone is a tool, like email, like a calendar, like any productivity system. Tools do not have ethics. People do. Now the advanced version. For those who want to go further, let me show you what is possible after 90 days. Your clone begins to anticipate needs. It notices a pattern in client questions and proactively drafts an FAQ document. It learns your preferences, which meetings you always decline, which people you always respond to immediately. It becomes more you over time. Every correction you make teaches it. Every approval reinforces it. After 90 days, your clone handles 85% of your job. You handle the 15% that requires your unique genius. Now I know what you are thinking. If my clone does 85% of my job, why would my employer still need me? Because the 15% is the high-leverage work. Strategy, relationships, creative direction, crisis management. The things AI cannot do. Your clone makes you a better version of yourself, not a replacement. An amplifier. And for entrepreneurs, your clone lets you run multiple businesses, each with its own clone, each operating 24/7. This is the future of work, not AI replacing humans. Humans with AI clones replacing teams. Here is your homework. This weekend, build the first component, the knowledge base. Go to trichroma.com. Install it. Feed it your knowledge. Ask it a question. That is your only homework. Build your clone. Get your time back and start doing the work that actually matters. Subscribe to this channel. Every week I show you exactly how to build the systems that build your freedom.